When you think of modern Greece, you think of the two things: architecture and crippling national debt. The first thing is most interesting, as it doesn't originate from present-day Greece, but rather far into the past. Early-age Greece was a marvelous civilization, blessed by its many gods to have successful political structures, mostly, and major technological advantages. One of the most important advancements from the Greeks was the development in arithmetic of geometry. Geometry only had further advancements for land measurements and erecting buildings. Most of Greek geometric breakthroughs were inspired by Egyptian and Babylonian math, and those breakthroughs were passed down to the next civilizations. Let's take a plot of land that's 60 by 60 feet. That's two different not opposite sides that are equal in length. That means, of course, it's a square. That also means four right angles fit right in there. Length by width shows the area to be 3,600 feet squared. Now, if I want a round temple thingamajig, but I can't use more than 3,600 feet squared, whatever shall I do? Well, I'd put a circle in the square. Hey, wait a second. My circle's diameter is the same length as my square's side. Half of that, 30, is my radius. Square that boy up and multiply by pi, and BAM! That's the area of my circle building thing. Now you might ask, hey, I want to do a perfect semicircle roof on a blueprint. How may I do that? No worries, said Thales. Your diameter bisects that circle right in half. You might also ask, my square temple needs a triangle roof, but the triangle is a right triangle. How will I find the length of my slanted... Okay, thank you. Now, other geometry nerds like Euclid and Eratosthenes developed and used geometry for nerd things, but I wanted to know what impact did these advancements have on Greek society. The answer is quite a bit. First of all, as previously mentioned, geometry had a huge role with architecture. Plans for buildings were congruent and neater, using less words to describe how to build things. A ratio known as the beauty ratio, which is a ratio between things that appear nicely to the human eye, is found in Greek building architecture. Geometry also helped Eratosthenes, who was mentioned earlier, to discover the curvature of the earth by using the sun's shadow and distance between sticks. Axiomatic systems could now be used in geometry math as well. Also, an all-out engineering golden age was occurring due to the new math. New inventions could be made with more detailed and clear plans. New steps in geometry gave a huge advancement to the Greeks, with new systems and theorems that are still in place even till this day.